So this is my 1997 AE111 Trueno sedan. It's just got a new paint job. I call it the Phantom Silver, topped with Roberlo HS150 clear coat. As you can see, why I call it Phantom Silver is because some parts you see black, parts which get some light will be bright silver. Really, so far there's nothing like it. Haven't seen it before. This is the second time we're doing it. First time didn't end up so well. You see blotches of black and silver, very much undesirable, but this time we got the formula right and it looks utterly remarkable. Oh yeah. Really awesome right now. Can't wait to get it polished. Body parts fitted back on, and we'll be offering this to our customers soon. Hopefully you like what you see. Thanks very much for watching. This is the Andrew Wong at Autonion Paintmasters. Wow, just can't get enough of the color. Holy crap. Totally amazing.